In the small town of River Bend, where dusty streets echoed with the laughter of children and afternoons felt endless, there lived a boy named Ethan who loved marbles more than anything in the world. He kept his collection in a blue tin box hidden under his bed, where glass marbles shone like tiny planets, each one carefully chosen and proudly owned. Every afternoon after school, Ethan joined the neighborhood boys beneath an old oak tree where they gathered to trade and play. Ethan was clever and quick with numbers, and he often used smooth words and confident smiles to convince others to trade their best marbles for his ordinary ones, leaving the game feeling more like a contest he always won. At first, Ethan felt proud as his collection grew larger and heavier, while the others' bags slowly grew lighter. He enjoyed being the best and having the most, and he believed that winning meant success. But one day, his best friend Lucas looked into his nearly empty pouch and spoke quietly, saying that he guessed he was not very good at the game anymore. The words seemed simple, but they stayed in Ethan's mind. That night, Ethan lay awake in bed, listening to the faint sound of marbles rolling inside his tin box, and for the first time, the sound felt uncomfortable instead of satisfying. He realized that by winning every time, he had lost something far more important than a game. He had lost his friend's trust. The next afternoon, Ethan returned to the oak tree with his blue box and told everyone that he wanted to trade fairly from now on. Without tricks or pressure, he returned some of the marbles he had taken and offered equal trades, choosing honesty over advantage. Slowly, the game became fun again. Laughter replaced silence, smiles replaced disappointment, and the circle of friends felt complete once more. In the end, Ethan learned that true success was not in having the most marbles, but in playing in a way that made everyone feel respected, and he discovered that his greatest treasure was not in his box but in his friendships.